Hi everyone, this is Alan Peng. Welcome to today's video where we'll dive into essential skills for mastering editing software. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, knowing your editing tools inside out is crucial for bringing your creative vision to life. Let's start by familiarizing ourselves with the interface. Here's the timeline where you'll arrange your clips, audio tracks, and effects. Over here, you have your editing tools like cut, trim, and crop. And don't forget about the effects panel where you can add filters, transitions, and other enhancement to your footages. Now let's delve into some editing techniques. Cutting and trimming clips is as simple as selecting the section you want to remove and hitting delete. But to take your edits to the next level, try using keyframing. With the keyframing, you can create smooth transitions, animate text, and adjust effects over time, giving your video a polished look. To speed up your workflow, take advantage of keyboard shortcuts. For example, pressing copy for the cut tool and V for the selection tool can save you valuable time. Additionally, consider creating presets for commonly used effects or transitions and organize your project files into folders for easy access. To wrap up, mastering editing software is all about understanding the interface, honing your editing techniques, and optimizing your workflow. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and push your creative boundaries. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Happy editing!